Here is the first question from R.S. Agarwal, chapter 10, Arithmetic Progression. Show that 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 is an AP. How to show that it is an AP and also write its first term, common difference and 20th term. I am rewriting the given progression one more time. That is 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Here a2 minus a1 I am writing, that is 13 minus 11, that is giving us the value 2. 15 minus 13, that is giving me the value of 2, that is a3 minus a2. Again a4 minus a3 I am writing, 17 minus 15, that is 2. 19 minus 17, that is giving me the value of 2, that is giving me the value of 2. Here everywhere the common difference, this we call as common difference in the arithmetic progression. The everywhere the common difference is 2, therefore the given progression is an AP. Hence we proved that it is an AP. In this again he is asking what is the first term. The first term in this progression is 11, and what is the common difference he is asking. Everywhere the common difference we are seeing here is 2, and also he is asking find the 20th term. What is 20th term? To find the 20th term we have a formula, that is nth term in an AP. Tn is equal to a plus bracket n minus 1d. This formula we have to use. Now he is asking find the 20th term, that is t20. Put the value of n is equal to 20, a11, the plus n value is 20 minus 1, and d value is 2. D value is 2. 11 plus 20 minus 1, 19. 19 into 2. 19 2s are 38. 11 plus 38, and 11 plus 38 is giving the answer 49. Hence the 20th term of this arithmetic progression is 49. This is how we have to find 20th term. Here is the next question. Show that the progression 13, 20, 27, 34 is an AP, and also write its first term, common difference, and 60th term. Again a2 minus a1, 20 minus 13 is giving me 7, 27 minus 20 is giving me 7, 27 minus 20 is giving me 7, 34 minus 27, again this common difference, again this difference is 7. Everywhere the difference is common, that is 7 7 7. Therefore we call this as common difference. As the difference is common, this is a common difference. Again he is asking you to find the first term. What is the first term in the given progression? 13. Yes. And again the common difference is 7. Everywhere the 7 is the difference which is common. And also the 16th term. To find the 16th term we have to use the nth term of the AP formula, a plus n minus 1 bracket d. 13 plus 16 minus 1, d is 7. 13 plus t 16, 16th term is equal to 13 plus 15 into 7, 15 into 7. 13 plus 15 7s are 105, 15 7s are 105. 105 plus 13 is giving me the value of 118. Hence the 16th term of this AP is 118. Thank you.